Good morning. What I have for you here is a transposition chart, which should help you in better understanding key signatures and your scales as an instrumentalist. It gets a little tricky as an instrumentalist because we're not all playing in the same concert key. So we have to do what we call transposing, which means we have to change our starting pitch based on what the conductor says. So what you're going to see up here at the top of your chart is a row. They're color-coded columns, rather. We have a column for concert pitch, which is the pitch that the conductor calls when calling out a key signature or a scale, okay? Then you have the next column, which is the transposition for B-flat instruments, which are clarinet, trumpet, baritone, treble clef, and tenor sax. The next column is for E-flat instruments, which are the alto and bari saxes. And the last column is for instruments pitched in F, which is the horn. Everyone using the transposition chart will have to start with the green column here, the column for concert pitch. If you're a C instrument, flute, trombone, tuba, baritone, bass clef, or percussion, you basically remain in this column. So you can see that in each cell you have a letter name, which is your starting pitch, and then underneath a number, which is the number of flats or sharps in the key. So I'll give you an example here. Let's say the conductor wants you to play your B-flat concert scale. You're going to come down the green column here for concert pitch and find B-flat. And you can see that B-flat has an enharmonic name, A sharp. You'll see a few of those in the column, and that is just because that's a theoretical thing, and don't worry about the parentheses for now. We're just going to call them by the non-parenthesized scales. So if I call B-flat concert to you, if you're a C instrument, you stay right here in the green, and you notice that you have two flats, meaning your starting pitch will be B-flat, and then you have two flats in the key, which are B-flat and E-flat. You can find the order of flats as well as the order of sharps down here at the bottom of the chart. So if I have two flats in my key, I'm going to be playing B and E, the first two letters of the order of flats. Those will be flat in my key. If I call B-flat concert, and let's say you're an E-flat instrument, you're an alto saxophone, you're going to first come to the concert pitch row, or column rather. You're going to find B-flat. That's what I called. Then you're going to slide over to the E-flat column, and you're going to find your starting pitch, which happens to be G. And your key signature is also different. You have one sharp in your key. So you're going to start on the note G. You're going to play all the letter names all the way up to the next G. So G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And you're going to add one sharp. And that one sharp will be down here in the order of sharps. It'll be F, so F sharp. So your key signature is F sharp. Let's do one more. Let's say that the conductor calls E-flat. So we're going to start in the concert pitch column. We're going to go down until we find E-flat. And if you're a C instrument, you stay right here. If you're a flute, trombone, tuba, baritone, bass clef, or percussion, you find E-flat. It says 3 flats in your key. E-flat is your starting pitch, and you add 3 flats. So you have B-flat, E-flat, and A-flat, which you can find down here at the bottom of the chart. That's your key, and it also gives you the starting pitch. And if you, for instance, play a B-flat instrument, you come down to the E-flat, you slide over, your starting pitch is F, you have a 1 flat, which is B-flat. And there you go. That is the transposition chart. I hope it's easy for you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. See you later.